Hey guys, this is how to create and verify Alipay account. So, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Google Play Store and search for Alipay over here. And from here, just simply download it. And now let's open it up. And from here, guys, in order for you to set up an Alipay account, just simply provide your phone number. And when you tap on this number over here, you can change the country where you are from. So from here, you can actually use the search bar. So I'm gonna go for my country, and from here, just simply provide your phone number and tap on next. And from here, tap on agree. And after that, just wait for it. And after that, a verification code will be sent to you. And here we go, 348198. And just simply provide the verification code, guys. And after that, you'll be able to automatically create an account. And now, just simply select your country. I'm gonna go for this. And now, guys, in order for you to verify your Alipay account, just tap on account here down below at the bottom right. And from here, just tap on this gear icon on the top right or the settings. And after that, just tap on account and security. And from here, just simply go ahead and tap on identity information. And from here, you'll be able to verify your Alipay account and just simply provide your valid ID. So just fill up the form and just provide the document type over here. It either be a passport or foreign permanent resident ID card. And after that, just simply scan it to fulfill automatically. And guys, just simply provide the necessary information to proceed. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.